Hello, hello. You hopping on? Say hi. So today my topic is what happens when you are not seeing the result in your online business. I'm right now. I was just finished my couple of tasks for the morning. Then I started reading a very nice book. The book's name is The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattal. It's a very, I just started reading it. I read just only 5 or 6 pages, and it's very inspiring book. So I thought, okay, whatever I just read, I will convey that idea across. And yesterday I heard Keisha Bass live for a couple of minutes. It popped in front of me, and I tuned in, but she was almost finishing. But that line is still in my head, as she was saying the she has the same topic when you are not seeing the result in your business. So if you are not seeing the result in your business, it's not the opportunity's fault, it's not the upline's fault, it's not anybody else's fault, it's not your deity that is not blessing you, that you should not get rich. It is not anything like that. It is only within you. I mean, online business is mainly physical work and personal development. So over here personal development is a notch above. In the online business, personal development, mental work is like notch above the physical work. You did all the physical work, you did all your tasks, and you are not still seeing the results. It's like maybe it's like 6 months, 7 month, 8 month, 9 month, and maybe a year. You are not seeing any results. So do not panic, because like a farmer, when he's he's planting season, when it is the time to plant his seed, he plants the seeds, and after a while the seed is under the soil, under the ground, and it takes some time for the seed to germinate. Seed is not going to show up, like suppose he planted his seeds on Monday, and seed is not going to show up next Thursday or Friday or something like that. Seed is going to take its germination time. Something is happening under the soil, and something is some process is taking place. So seed is gonna come after a required amount of time. It's gonna show up, the plant is gonna show up from the ground after a required amount of time. It's not going to show up right away. So same thing with the business. If you are doing daily tasks and you are not seeing any results, still you have to keep doing them over and over and over, even if you are not seeing the results, because something is happening behind the scenes which you are not seeing. Something is happening in the universe. Universe is always taking everybody to the next level. It's not like that. Every human being is evolving, every business is evolving. Maybe some are evolving slow, maybe some are evolving fast. So the seed is gonna show up after a certain period of time, and there is gonna be time when the farmer is going to ready to harvest the crop. Thank you for the hearts, thank you for the like, and I do not see anybody else joining us here, and I shared in a couple of places. Facebook build me some audience. It's more fun to talk to more people. Thank you for the heart, Jazz, and give me one if I was making sense to you. So I talked about the physical part, physical work of the business, and now number two is mental work, self development. Self development is even more important than doing all the physical work. So I mean, the thought if you're not seeing the result, obviously everybody is going to think, oh, maybe I'm not doing the right work, maybe nobody is interested in my business, maybe my opportunity is not good, maybe I'm not being helped by my upline as much as I'm supposed to be. So you're gonna have all those negative thoughts when you are not seeing the results in the business, in the time and effort you are putting in there. So obviously you're going to have a negative thought. So over here you have to overcome that negative thought, that reality with the truth. Truth is universe is abundant and universe is always helping everybody. So you are being helped, your abundance is already there. You just have to go to that level to see that abundance. So you have to do some your personal development. Over here you have to think the thought that my abundance is going to show up, I deserve abundance, money is going to show up in my business. So over here you have to think the thought against the reality. Even if the reality is that you are not seeing any money, you are not seeing any result, you are not seeing as many people in your team, you are not seeing the result you wanted, but you have to think the thought which is the reality in the universe. In the universe is everybody is supported, everybody is abundant, everybody is deserves money, everybody deserves best things. This is the reality of everybody, of every human being, of every living being, that every living being deserves the best. So over here you have to do the mental work. Mental work is you have to think the thought against the reality. So if you win your mind, in our language in Punjabi it says man jeete jag jeet. So if you have won that negative thought, then you are the master of your own destiny. So right now I was reading that book, and the science of getting rich is a very good line which just is still ringing in my mind. It is making a lot of sense, and I'm gonna start from here. It says a man's way of doing things is the direct result of the way he thinks about things. To do things, let me see who is with me. Hello, welcome for joining, and I am reading the paragraph from the book The Science of Getting Rich, and I do not see your names. I cannot give you a shout out. If you say hi, then I can give you shout out, or I always give shout out later on in the comments. So right now I'm gonna read the paragraph from the book The Science of Getting Rich. A man's way of doing things is direct result of the way he thinks about things. To do things in a way you want to do them, you will have to acquire the ability to think the way you want to think. This is the first step towards getting rich. And I hope it's making sense to you. To think what you want to think is to think truth regardless of appearances. This is what I said. Even though you did not see the result, so you have to think truth. Truth is that you are already rich. This is the truth. So you have to think the truth regardless of the circumstances. Even if the circumstances are saying that you have no money, you have no team, but you have to think the truth regardless of the circumstances, regardless of the appearances. Every man has the natural and inherent power to think what he wants to think, but it requires far more effort to do so than it does to think the thought which are suggested by experiment. I find the reasoning true, and this is the let me go to that page. Page 30, I was on page 32, 33. Okay, to think according to the appearance is easy. This is what I already said. To think according to the appearance is very easy. Everybody can think that. But to think truth regardless of the appearance is laborious and requires the expenditure of more power than any other work man is called upon to perform. There is no labor from which most people shrink as they do from that of sustained and consecutive thought. It is the hardest work in the world. True. This is especially true when truth is contrary to the appearances. Every appearance in the visible world tends to produce a corresponding form in the mind which observes it. And this can only be prevented by holding the thought of the truth. I said the truth is that you are abundant. You have the right to be in all happiness, abundance. You have the right to that. That is the truth. So to look upon the appearance of disease will produce the form of disease in your own mind and ultimately in your body unless you hold the thought of the truth, which is that there is no disease, it is only an appearance and the reality is health. Even if somebody is sick, if they hold the thought that I am healthy, I deserve health, I am child of God, I deserve health, they can claim their health. But if they are sick and they keep thinking, oh, I'm sick, I'm gonna die, if they keep complaining, they are ultimately going to get finished. So even if you are sick and you're thinking the thought of health, you're thinking the thought, I'm healthy, you're gonna get healthy. So over here, this is I'm going to read this line again. To look upon the appearance of disease will produce the form of disease in your own mind, ultimately in your body, unless you hold the thought of the truth, which is that there is no disease, it is only an appearance and the reality is health. To look upon the appearance of poverty will produce corresponding forms in your own mind, unless you hold to the truth that there is no poverty, there is only abundance. To think health when surrounded by the appearance of disease, or to think riches when in the midst of appearances of poverty, requires power. But he who requires this power becomes a mastermind. He can conquer fate. He can have all he wants. I like this line. Who can think, truth in the midst of calamity, bad circumstances, bad appearances? Who can think the truth that he is abundant, he is rich, he is healthy, he is the mastermind and he can have anything he wants. I love this line very much. Is this making sense to you? Drop one if this is making sense to you. I don't know, it's making me very pumped up when I read this line. I read this 2-3 times, then I thought I'll be doing the live. So point is over here is you have to do it is all the mental work. You have to win the negative thought in your mind even if the circumstances are not favorable. You have to win that negative thought and then you are the master. You are going to see the results which you wanted to see. You are going to see the money. You are going to see all the millions and billions and trillions of dollars, whichever you dreamed, you are going to see. So is this okay? Let me see who else has joined. Okay, useful, thanks. Okay, thank you very much for the comment and thank you for the feedback. And I'm gonna read one more line that I liked very much. That was, in order to know more, do more and be more, we must have more. We must have things to use because we learn and do and become only by using things. We must get rich so that we can live more. Okay, I am getting the sign on my laptop. My battery is dying down. 1 second, I'm gonna plug it in. So even if you are not seeing the result in your online business, be patient and do all the work required, your physical work which you want to do, your daily tasks, your daily method of operation, your required in on network marketing. You have to get leads daily, you have to talk to prospects daily. So this is the required work you have to do daily in network marketing, as I am in network marketing. And on top of that, you have to do the personal development. You have to win over the thought even if you are not seeing the results. And I hope my live was clear and making sense to you. Okay, and that's going to be it for today. And I'm going to see you back again here, guys, tomorrow. And anybody hopping later on, you are very welcome to drop any questions, comment, and I always go back and look at the comments. Thank you very much for watching, and see you again tomorrow. Bye, Jazz. Bye, Prem, Deep. See you again back.